Hello everyone. Um, I'd like to share a video with you. Basically, on the night of the 25th of February, a very cold night, I took a video of the moon, and I want to draw your attention to Mare Nubium, the sea of clouds. You can see it at the bottom of the screen. Basically, below Mare Nubium, you got Tycho crater, and above it you got Copernicus, Eratosthenes, and the Montes Apenninus. To the right of Apenninus, you see the Sea of Serenity. To the left, you see Mare Imbrium. To the darker patch next to the Sea of Serenity is the Sea of Tranquility, and below it you got Mare Nectaris and Mare Fecunditatis. Not quite sure what I say that right. Anyway, so those are quite visible features on this beautiful moon on the 25th of February, taken with my Celestron Nexstar 5SC. I used a 25mm lens, Sky Guider. If you see my previous video where I show my astronomy setup, you can have more details on that setup. But you know, while I was taking the videos, I took some pictures. So if you look at Mare Nubium, you notice that V shape at the bottom, which I didn't pay much attention to, because I actually didn't notice. But when I look at the picture and zoomed in, I noticed this strange shape. I also realized that I have a lot of debris on the lens inside the telescope. So I assume this was part of the debris, but when I explore this further, I ask myself, what are the chances of that debris being that perfect in geometrical V shape? So I start doubting myself, is this really a piece of debris or dust, or is an actual craft on the moon? And when I zoom the picture, you can see the actual perfect V shape on Mare Nubium. Very interesting. I mean, I'll leave the. This is just an assumption, so I'll let you decide whether this is an actual craft, which, if it is huge, or it's just a speck. I was so interested in this that I opened up the telescope to check the optics and check the main mirror. I couldn't find this shape. I found some debris, cleaned it up, but I couldn't find this shape. Finally, I want to share this lovely picture of Copernicus, which is a 3D rendition that I done on Photoshop. You can observe the central peaks and the surrounding hexagonal rim. Thanks for watching. Bye.